Amy from GoWISE USA, and this is my co-chef today, Teddy. Today we are going to use the GoWISE Heating Blender to make baby food. This is our premium professional heating blender. At 1400 watts, it's very powerful. The 800 watt heating element allows you to make different types of food such as soup and baby food. Today, we are going to use one of the 6 presets to make baby food. So today we are making natural carrot puree, and all we need is baby carrots and drinking water. Chef Teddy, are we gonna put the carrots in the pitcher? Yes? Okay. Ooh, look at those carrots. And water too, right? Okay, that's it. Now the lid is on and secured. Let's turn on the machine. Start button and press the preset button until we see baby food. Then just stop. We can see the blender is cooking the carrots and the water is boiling. The baby food preset cooks up to 22 minutes at 212 degrees to make sure the food is properly cooked and safe. Ooh, look at that. The consistency is perfect. And look at how much baby food I just made with only half bag of baby carrots. Okay, Chef Teddy, let's try some yummy baby food that we made together. You like it? That's our stay-home recipe today. Baby food made with our premium heating blender. Thank you for watching. Stay home and stay safe.
Hey guys, if you'd like to watch my video of pulled pork in my pressure cooker, click here. Or if you'd like to watch one of our minute-long recipe videos, check this one out.